guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. I am going to share with you guys my favorite ice cream spots in New York City. If you're looking for the best ice cream in New York, these are my recommendations for you. So right now we are in Alphabet City in the Lower East Side. We are in front of Churro cone, and I just got myself a churro cone with banana pudding ice cream. This is really amazing. This is the second one I've tried. I tried the black sesame seed, and that one's also amazing. I need to come back and try all of them, so I suggest that you come here too. Okay, so right now we are at Laboratorio del Gelato. I got black currant sorbet, which is really delicious, but they have really cool flavors like pea flour and black sesame seeds, so you should definitely come here and check it out. Okay, so right now we are in Taiyaki in Chinatown, and I got myself a matcha ice cream with a Taiyaki cone. And look at it, it's a cute little unicorn. They have a lot of really Instagrammable little like designs that they do on the ice cream, so that's always, you know, an extra plus. Okay, so right now we're in front of Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. Out of all the places that I've been to, this is the only one that's cash only. So make sure you bring cash when you come and visit. I got the lychee rose ice cream. My favorite one is taro, but this one's also really delicious, so I do recommend it. Okay guys, so right now we are in the West Village. We're at La Newyorkina, which is a Mexican ice cream shop. This one's actually one of my favorite spots. They have really delicious Mexican styled ice creams. They have one that's hand churned, and that's the one that I got. They also have paletas, which are really delicious. I really recommend that you stop by here if you want to try something different. This is cajeta, which is like a Mexican caramel. And they also have like avocados, roses, banana, and ice cream. Banana and espresso. Okay, so this is the last spot that I'm gonna bring you guys to. If you ever stop by, please let me know what you think. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video today. I know that we kept it short and sweet, but I hope you guys enjoy these ice cream shops whenever you go to visit. If you have any recommendations, please list them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.